the way back in September, the Google Pixel 4a has had reported touchscreen issues. Some people have said this was a hardware issue. Others have blamed a software update. In that video, I showed you an application that you can use to test to see if you're having any touchscreen sensitivity issues. Because recently I've noticed that the Google Pixel 4a 5G has also been having touchscreen issues. So firstly, if you have a Google Pixel 4a 5G or a 4a and you're having touchscreen responsiveness issues, I highly recommend that you check out this other video that I did. I'll be linking to it in the video description below so that you can look at this specific application from the Play Store. It's free. It's a very simple app that you can use to test whether or not you're currently having touchscreen issues. However, if you're watching this video, then you likely already know you're currently experiencing those type of touchscreen issues. And the Google Pixel 4a 5G devices have were released without any of these issues at all. It looks like a December security update introduced this touchscreen bug. So not only are we having a bunch of people in the Google Pixel subreddit that are reporting this issue, sometimes in the bottom right corner, sometimes in the top right corner, sometimes in just various spots of the screen. But it's gotten to the point where Google themselves have actually responded to the issue itself. Now, Google says that they are going to be including a fix in the February security update. So if you have not installed that update yet, I know it's not released right now, but when it does in a week or two, I highly recommend you install that update to test and see if that fixes the problem. It very well might. However, if it doesn't, and until then, I have another workaround that you can try by going into the settings application and then diving into the display section. Now, Google has had this specific feature in, I know at least the Google Pixel 4a, and I'm reading the Google Pixel 4a 5G as well. It was originally added as a way to help people who are using screen protectors, whether it's a plastic one or a glass one. Sometimes using a screen protector can reduce or limit the touchscreen sensitivity and the responsiveness. However, this feature has actually been a workaround for people who are experiencing this bug from the December 2020 security update. And all you have to do is simply toggle that feature on. That will ramp up the touchscreen sensitivity and responsiveness for your device. And we're seeing a couple of people in the forums and on Reddit saying that that type of workaround has worked for them. I also wanted to be sure to include the official response Google has also offered for people who are experiencing this issue. Again, it's not a fix for it, but they do give a couple of recommendations. So for example, whenever you're tapping on icons on the edge of the screen, I know some people were complaining about that, trying to tap the expander, the full screen button on the YouTube application. That instead you can tap on the center of the button or the side of the button or the icon that is furthest away from the edge of the screen. Because it seems like this is a palm rejection algorithm type of bug. It's just something that they're going to need to tweak in the security update. And also, whenever you're tapping icons, including if you're tapping on the navigation buttons that are at the bottom of the screen, you can try to use the very tip of your finger or the very tip of your thumb, as again, it will help to improve the touch recognition so that it is not detected as, say, a palm touch. So that's a few workarounds that Google Pixel 4a and Google Pixel 4a 5G users can use to potentially fix the touchscreen responsiveness bug.